Hello everyone, my name is Joy Patel. I am 10 years old and today I would like to talk about chocolate. One type of chocolate is white chocolate. This type of chocolate has more than 55% sugar. Milk chocolate is another type of chocolate that has a lot of sugar, and this has milk to create a creamy texture. Next, we have dark chocolate, which has less sugar and usually no milk. Further on, bittersweet chocolate. This is similar to dark chocolate but with even less sugar and less than 12% of milk. Last of all, there is ruby chocolate. This chocolate has a pink shade because of the pinkish color of its cocoa bean. It contains mostly cocoa. Milk chocolate has unhealthy amounts of artificial flavors and sugar. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, or the USDA, milk chocolate has 52% sugar, over 12% of milk, and 23% cholesterol. Dark chocolate has more cocoa than sugar and has many minerals and antioxidants. It's proven that dark chocolate improves blood flow and circulation. In addition, it raises HDL, or the good cholesterol, and lowers LDL, or the bad cholesterol, given it is consumed in moderation. Cocoa beans. Chocolate is made of cocoa beans. Cocoa beans come from a plant called Theobroma cacao. This plant grows mainly in South America and Central America. Cocoa is used as a medicine in Pre-Colombian societies. Cocoa is a plant that has flavonoids and antioxidants in it. Some of its advantages is it lowers cholesterol, prevents cognitive decline, and reduces risk of cardiovascular disease. When all the other ingredients are added, most of the good effects are obscured by bad effects. Cocoa is actually a superfood for your teeth. Cocoa has many antioxidants and minerals that actually help your teeth fight plaque. Chocolate with all the fat and other ingredients reduces microhardness of the tooth enamel and causes dental caries because of too much sugar content. Multiple studies have shown that all types of chocolate significantly increase acne. 25 acne-prone male subjects were asked to consume 23 grams of 59% dark chocolate daily for 4 weeks. Milk and cocoa butter in chocolate tends to have a very great amount of cholesterol. This can lead to diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and high blood pressure. Rethink eating chocolate. Chocolate may be yummy, but think twice before taking a bite of chocolate. Milk chocolate is a very fatty food. It has high amounts of saturated fat, causes high blood pressure, and increases the chance of heart disease. As per studies, dark chocolate reduces the risk of heart disease if consumed in less than 100 grams per week. Higher levels will negate the effects. Osteoporosis is a very common problem. Cocoa has a beneficial impact on this. Cocoa helps osteoporosis, but chocolate constitutes increase the risk of brittle bones and due to high amounts of sugar and fat. One homemade recipe with cocoa is below. Here's a picture of the one I made. It tastes great. Add water to a saucepan. Place a Pyrex mixing bowl above it. Make sure the water isn't touching it. Finally, chop cocoa butter. Place the cocoa butter in the Pyrex mixing bowl. Then let it melt on medium heat. Add maple syrup to the mixture and mix thoroughly. Take the mixture off the stove. Add cocoa powder, vanilla, sea salt, and cocoa nibs, and then mix until there are no clumps. Adjust the flavor of the chocolate to your liking, then pour the mixture carefully into cupcake liners. Put in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, then enjoy. These are my references. More references. Thanks for watching my presentation. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed this video. Remember to eat to live and don't live to eat.